Foreman Development Series was started by the 7th District of the IBEW. I believe about 2010 they started the process of creating this PowerPoint and presentation. It has grown into 16 modules that journeymen, apprentices, but mostly a journeyman can learn some basic skills of jobs from project startup to materials to man loading to scheduling, estimating. About every facet of a project is covered through a different module. This series of modules really covers a job from 2-man to 50, 60 guys on a project. You learn every facet of the job from pre-job kickoff meetings to closeout documents and as-built drawings. So there is very little stones unturned if you complete all 16 modules. Our local, I can go back to one of my former bosses, Jim Geller. In 2010, he was passionate about foreman training and put together a group from journeymen and foremen from different contractors. And I can remember sitting in that select group of 12 people in 2010. So then it got put on the wayside, and this opportunity came up, and my current boss, Eric Carlson, was the same passion for foreman training and education industry. He said, let's jump on this opportunity. So I went to Austin, Texas, took some training there, and then I've been to Phoenix, Arizona on part 2 of the training. I will be returning to Austin, Texas in May for part 3 of the final trainer. So we've just developed it, and I've brought it back to our JATC, and we have 13 journeymen right now signed up. I'm hoping to have another run of this class starting in the spring, making on a rotating monthly basis, have one of the modules, and guys will have options to come and go at their schedule, and he doesn't have to do it in sequence. You can come at any point. My goal would be for everybody that signs up to complete all 16 modules over the course of 2 to 3 years, the way we're going to do our scheduling. We started out with role of the foreman is the first module, and then it rolls right into project startup. Those are the first 2 modules. I encourage everybody to take those 2 first. Other modules include scheduling, man loading, estimating 1 and 2. We'll open up spec books, and we'll just go through spec books and learn how to go through spec books. Some people know how to do it, and it's review. Some people know how to do it, and they can come to this course and share ideas with young journeymen that have never looked at a spec book. Leadership skills are a huge quality of a foreman, and being and signing up for this class is the first step in becoming a leader. Other traits of a solid foreman, understanding the project, understanding other trades, getting along with different trades and architects and engineers and project owners. Unfortunately, you are the face of the company, and guys are looking at you, and this class is just a reminder and helps guide you and get you started on those aspects.